Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, let's talk about this puff. Why I didn't do this puff this morning. I went outside to BJ's to help my mom with the shopping and stuff because this week is Thanksgiving weekend. It's currently November, what's today? Forgot what day. Today is November 28th. This Talia Wajid product has been giving me life. Anyway, I decided randomly while I was sorting my clothes because I literally had like overflow of clothes and I didn't do it last night because I went shopping last night for other stuff, so it was just a lot going on. But anyway, so I wanted to finally do another Sunday reset routine. Now, I initially wanted to show you guys blah yesterday, but it was just a lot. So I am going to show you guys later just a few of the items that I got. Anything other like holiday related content, that would be in like a separate vlog. I'm not doing all that. So anyway, these are the leftover stuff that I had for the rest of the day. Now it is currently 1:39, as you guys can see already, like, and I gotta go to work. It's crazy. Like, I feel like the weekend just breezed on by. But anyway, back to my hair really quickly. I know if you guys can see that, but you see how sleek my hair is. And I generally used to love wet line, and I like wet line still, but let me tell you right now, I probably had this product enough. But seriously, Talia Wajid reached out to me, give me a sponsorship, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they're still black owned. I don't think they got ownership. I may be wrong. I gotta check the facts. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it down below. But I don't know why I should have just came back to Talia Wajid for period, because so initially I did wash my hair, I styled it. I used mousse to style my hair. My curls are still pretty much intact, but I decided for work this week I'm just gonna do a high puff because, first off, like, I wore my hair yesterday and then I wore my hair this morning when we went out, but I'm just tired of the weather right now. Is really, not only is it cold, but it's also because it's windy. My hair is just flying from back and forth, and then my twist out and my hair is all over the place, and that's irking my nerves. So I was just like, you know what, let's do a sleek high puff for the 3 days because I only have to go to work for 3 days, and that's that, and my hair is done. I am going to be putting a protective style, I believe, next weekend. So I'm probably just going to be rocking this high puff for this whole week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I'm home. And Friday I'm going out as well, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, the product that I just wanted to quickly share with you guys though was, and I've shared it before, I really love these two products, the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Jello, bomb.com. And they also have a leave-in spray, which I also like as well. But let me tell you, I don't remember what the price was on here, but I knew it was a little expensive. But let me tell you, this bomb.com, the sleekage is giving what it's supposed to give. I keep on looking at it because I really like it. And get into the real thing. So really quickly, I did do my, like I said, my reset thing. So I have organized undergarments because, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, probably do this once a year, twice a year. I should do it more often, but it's just like, I just literally just go through my drawer, take what I need, and I'm out for the day. So I haven't really sat and cleaned it. So I need to clean, like, my undergarments, because those are under my bed. I have, like, the beds with the 2 drawers. And then I also need to, like, reorganize the back of my bins and stuff, because it's like, if I don't fold things nicely, which sometimes in the bin I'm just like, yeah, I'm just throw them over, which is really bad habit. Don't do that. But I need to just reorganize that as well. I also have chain sheets. I'm kind of going to do that last, if anything. The mini haul of things I bought. I already posted a TikTok on it, but I wanted to really quickly show you guys, what do you call this? A YouTube haul thing, whatever, of things that I bought yesterday. Now, some of the stuff I brought, no, actually one thing's upstairs, everything else is down here, and that was just the syrup stuff I bought because I'm going to try to start making iced coffee at home instead of buying it all the time. And what else is there? Yeah, that was that, so that'll come later. I have take off my acrylic nails, maybe. Now I have a lot of tools. Also, you just follow me on TikTok at this point because I feel like I do a lot of more mini hauls, day-to-day stuff. You want that? My TikTok. That's what I've been posting. A lot of mini vlogs, and I've been liking it, and it's been doing well. So you want that going there. But because the reason why I say that is because last weekend I did my toes at home, and I recently got a electric nail drill, so I think I'm gonna follow it down with that. Anyway, lastly, because it's 8 minutes of me talking, sometimes I just go and talk. So that was that. Then the acrylic, and then I also put, because since I'm gonna clean out my stuff, I kind of just don't want to keep on going through and like messing up what I've just organized. So I put out set out clothes from Monday to Wednesday. I actually already set out clothes for Monday, and I'm pretty sure this will be fine because I know for sure it's gonna be cold. But let me go quickly check. I know for sure it's gonna be cold. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be high 41. The low is gonna be 26. When I leave, oh yeah, when I leave it's gonna be 27 degrees. So you best believe I'm wearing this. So I actually recently purchased from H&M this past week. Yeah, they had a Black Friday sale. I don't remember how much I bought this because I took off the tag now and I've washed it. But it's pretty much a like khaki color, beige, whatever, what would we call it, like a brownish beige color. And I got this on sales, long sleeve. I generally wear like a top and jeans mostly, or some type of pants to work. And then I got another pair of black jeans because I just felt like I needed one, and it was on a good deal. I think I got them from at $12.99 because that was Black Friday sale. So yeah, I just got some black cargo pants, and that's the fit for tomorrow. Simple yet cute. And my hair's already done, so just got tied up. We about being simplistic when we need to. So I just set that aside on my bed for now. So now I'm going ahead and cleaning my sock drawer first. Now, I actually did a lot of cleaning. I had like a lot of sports bras, and I feel like that's what was making my sock drawer overflow. So I took those out, and I actually was able to fix my bras somewhere else. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And I also had some like I had like undergarment shapewear in there, which I took out as well. And I also went through my socks because I had so many socks. So like any like old socks that I know I had for a minute, I threw them out in the garbage bag. As you guys can see, that garbage bag, I was just throwing out stuff that I no longer needed. The same thing for these fuzzy socks. If there were old ones that I had for a couple of years, I threw them out because I just bought a pair of fuzzy socks, and I believe I was gifted a couple of fuzzy socks as well. So okay, next I'm just vacuuming my drawer because there was a lot of stuff that fell in there. So I'm making sure that's cleaned out. I didn't want to bore you guys, so I moved to the next drawer after I organized the other drawer. And I also vacuumed that one out, and I kind of just not folded, but placed my underwear neatly in this one after I was done. And I think I show you guys just a little bit of that. You guys, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the haul while also cleaning at the same time, because since those are the first things that are like major on my floor, I want to get them out the way. So really quickly, I got these leggings from Victoria's Secret. I'm actually going to go ahead and try them so that I can see if they fit. And I may do a quick rinse of all these stuff so that way they're out of my face. And I can fold them up and get them off the floor. So I initially wanted a purple one, but they didn't have the purple one. I was really sad about that. So, because my favorite color is purple, so I ended up picking up the black one, but it's extra large. And I got one in the mint green color. So I'm gonna still disregard all the things behind my bed. So this is the mint green one. Now I will say I may have to pull it up a little bit more. They fit well. They are a little long, which can be annoying. So hopefully I might just have to pull it up a lot, or because they're gonna drag. That's the little, as you guys can see. I'm not gonna try on the black ones because I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit the same one. They're same exact ones, just in black. But I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. So let's get on to the next thing. So next thing I also got I'm going to Marshall's, so I got this top. It's just a green rib sweater top, not rib net, but it's just a green, like with line pattern lines. Okay, these fit as well. You guys can see that. Move back a little bit. It's really long. Alright, so I had to go ahead and do a voiceover, but this is my onesie because it was noise in the background. I'm excited. I finally got a onesie from Marshall's as well. Then I also got from Marshall's a queen set. I got 2 sets of them. So this is the one that I ended up putting on my bed, which you'll see in a few minutes. I really like how the set feels. And then this is the other set I got. It's a 6-piece set, but also a queen set from Moon Plus Sky. And then this was random, but this is what I got from BJ's. I got a new like mattress one. It's waterproof and it says extra comfort. And then Bath and Body Works. I went in there. I know I said I was gonna stop using Bath and Body Works, but they tempted me. This is the Inspired Joy Aroma. It's a body wash. And then in the same collection, I got the body scrub. And I also got this Bigelow Menthol Lip Shine, which I like. I already have one, but I just stocked up on another one because I actually like this one. And I also forgot this. I bought this Star Wars steamer set from Marshall's as well. Alright, so now I'm just organizing my snacks. I had to get like a bigger bin because this little leaf wasn't cutting it. So I just put my hair clips, my loose hair clips in here and like loose scrunchies. And then I use this other bin that I had. So these are the snacks that I had in my room. See that I'm also going to show my siblings. I got a few from Marshall's, and then the chips that I showed first was from BJ's. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finally change my sheets. And after I did this, you guys, I got in my bed for like a few hours because I was tired after doing all this cleaning. And I didn't even show you guys me cleaning my drawers. I mean, not my drawers, my bins in the back. I also did that too. So I was just at the point. This was a very productive Sunday, but like I was just like, I can't do nothing anymore because if I continue, I'm just gonna be super beat. I was just so tired. Now I'm putting on dusting my headboard because I always seem to forget that, so try to dust it every time and just get the dust off, even though that's where I lay my head at night. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the mattress pad, the new one that I got. Now I will have to say, like, this one is definitely comfy. I do like that it's a padded one, so it's softer on my back, which I like so far. It's only been like 2 days of having this in my bed, but I've liked it so far. I can feel the nice padding, and it's very comfortable. And in a few minutes, I'm also going to go ahead and put on one of the new shoes that I bought. I just feel like, you know what, we're going into the Thanksgiving weekend. Let's just have a whole new set. Why don't we? So I went ahead and put that set as well on my bed. Now normally I'd like satin pillows, but you will see I just put the set. I decided to just stay in with the set for this time around.
like a tower that is losing its balance. Everything is falling apart. Is it too much to handle? Is there a way to restart? She took her time to handle the ache, just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake. How far we go if we have to fight the unknown? How far we go if we have to fight the unknown?
This is just towards the end of the day. I'm finally using one of my shower steamers. As you guys see, I put that in there. And then I'm going to use this pink honey wash. I've been liking it, so I'm going to use that. This other soap that I have. And then my feminine soap bar. And this is what I'm going to use for my cleanser. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use this witch hazel that I got. It's supposed to be a very like formulated one that's healthier. I will leave the link. I'll just leave the link of everything actually in the description box. And then I went ahead and used a Freeman mask. This is a peel off mask. It's pretty, I mean, I haven't used it as many times. I believe I used it about 4 times. It was about that. I don't know why I know the exact number. But I'm trying to really get back into masking. As you guys can see, like I had so many pimples. It was just like, normally my skin is very free of pimples. So if I have a lot of pimples, then something's going on. I won't say I have perfect skin, but it's been a minute since I've had like so much pimples. Anyway, I let that dry. Now, as you guys see, I'm gonna go ahead and use my acne pimple patches. I also leave. I love using them when I have the super big pimples that are just there and it's super noticeable. I just go ahead with the pimple patch. Now I will say sometimes it's effective. I feel like if the pimple's not ready, I guess, to pop, or the, like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know what I mean. Then when I wake up and take it off, like I don't see any pus coming out of it. So I don't know. But yeah, that's the only annoying thing sometimes when I put the pimple patch and, you know,